Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for front or rear power windows on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you guys need to buy replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the front rear power windows, come to show you which fuses relays we need to check. We will demonstrate on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee here. Depending on the year model, you have two different types of fuse boxes. We'll talk about both. Make sure you watch until the end. Open the hood guys, when you face the engine on the left side, this is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2011 to year 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee fuse box layout. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here guys, what we need to check specifically. Let's talk about 2011 to 2013 here first. Okay, we need to first locate fuse number M26. This is, guys, for most likely the power window switches right here, M26. And the other one is known as circuit breaker fuse, which is circuit breaker 1, CB1. This fuse right here, 25 amp, CB1 fuse right here. That's the main fuse. If you have 2014 to year 2022, guys, you will need to check now, okay, circuit breaker 1, CB1 right here, again. But then you need to check fuse number F20, F24, these two fuses, and you need to check fuse number F66, this 10 amp fuse right here. All these fuses will need to be checked. You don't have a relay because that circuit breaker is kind of like a relay fuse. It resets itself, but the relay function actually for your power windows is controlled by the body control module, the BCM of your Jeep Grand Cherokee. So if power windows still do not work, check fuses relays for the BCM. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.